What's up, rock stars? It's March, a brand new month, which brings with it 3 brand new challenges. The month of March, of course, is Kids Month here at Real Life Trading. So here are your 3 challenges. The physical challenge, or the real challenge, is going to be sit-ups. And we're gonna be doing the calendar club with me for the month of March. Thankfully, sit-ups are an exercise that almost every single person can do. And the ask is gonna be 10 additional sit-ups per day. So 1st of March, you'll do 10 sit-ups. The 2nd, you'll do 20. And the 3rd, you'll do 30. Keep in mind, these do not have to be consecutive. You can do at the very end of March, 5 sit-ups every hour if you want to until they're complete, okay? So keep in mind, they do not have to be consecutive, but you have to get it done on the day of the month. Number 2 is the life challenge. And the life challenge is amazingly simple. Have you and your child or your friend's child or your grandchildren or your niece or nephew sign up for the totally complimentary webinars that I'll be hosting in March for all the young adults and the kids out there in the world. This is gonna be an opportunity for us to learn together, to grow together, to experience opportunities, mind expansions, and this allows me to be the flamethrower for the frontal cortex of your beautiful young adults and children in your life. And now your trading challenge. Your trading challenge is going to be make sure that you snag 2 R's on one trade and use that 2 R's on one trade to donate to a children's charity of your choice. We can be doing, and we are doing here at Real Life Trading, Feed the Children as part of our Real Life Foundation. If you wish to make that your 2R donation, perfect. But if it's any other organization of your choosing, that's absolutely splendid as well. United Way is one of my other favorite organizations that does support children, especially premature babies. So figure out what is most calling to your heart, but that's gonna be the trading challenge. Make 2 R's and use those 2 R's and donate it, because giving is living. I love you all so much. Thank you for being in my life, and welcome to March.